Sending funds from your Capital One credit card to your Cash App is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can send funds from your Capital One credit card to your Cash App. Well, the process is pretty simple. What we will do is we will actually link the credit card of your Capital One to your Cash App. After that, you will easily be able to transfer funds in between that. So how to do it? For that, you have to open up your Cash App and then you just have to, follow this process. Tap on your profile, which should be on the top right corner. This should be the profile where you have to tap. After tapping on that, you have to scroll down and tap on link banks. Now, after tapping on link banks, you will see different options. You just have to tap on link credit card. After that, you just have to fill out your Capital One's credit card's information, which will include your credit card number, CVV, and all the things. Once the credit card of your Capital One is linked to your Cash App, what you have to do is you just have to add funds by, tapping on your cash and then going to add funds to add funds from your credit card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.